Hi, I'm Ellie Lum from Clumhouse, and I'm going to show you how to install a buckle. I have a buckle right here, and I'm going to go through the parts. This is the frame, this is the center bar, the tongue is right here, and the crook of the tongue is right on the end and it's curved. This is it facing the correct direction, and this is what it looks like when the tongue is flipped over in the opposite direction. So I'm going to grab the buckle and my buckle strap and show you how to thread that in. First of all, let's look at the buckle when it's oriented the correct direction. The crook on the tongue should be curved down and laying over the frame, just like that. Then we're going to grab our buckle strap and we're going to thread it under the frame right there. So we want to put the tongue of the buckle through this hole here. So I'm going to turn that, hold it vertical, and punch it through the leather from the wrong side. Okay? So we're almost there, and now we just want to take the buckle leather here and thread it under the other side of the frame. Then I'm going to swivel this leather down so that these two holes right here align, and that's where a rivet's going to go so that that is secured in there. Now this is what it looks like from the front side of the leather, and this is what it looks like from the wrong side. Now also, here's a caution. You don't want it to be like this. So this is actually the back of the leather, and then this is the crook on the tongue is facing the wrong direction. Okay? So we want to really look at it and see that this crook here is laying over the frame up there, just like that. All right? So then let's add the tubular rivet. Just going to punch it in there through both holes from the right side. And that's what it looks like from the back. So if you're having a hard time inserting the rivet into the wrong side of the leather, go ahead and re-punch a hole through the leather from the wrong side of the leather, and then the rivet will just pop right in. Now, in order to set this tubular rivet, we want to make sure it lays flat on our setting surface. So I'm actually going to hold it so that the buckle is off the side here, and that way the tubular rivet can lay really flat. Then I'm going to grab my tubular rivet peening tool, and I'm going to vertically align it just like that. I'm holding it in there with some pressure, and then I'm going to hit it with the mallet several times until we see that nice expressed, fully set tubular rivet. And there's the tubular rivet fully set, and there's our buckle strap.